Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, again next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.